Hi guys, it's Scout. Say
Perfect.
hi. Say your name.
I don't know my name.
Victor, Devon.
I'm Devon.
Say hi, guys. Hi. And we are in the set of Love at First Hiccup. And this is what we do on our time off. Here we go. Okay. And we are off.
Please, you're gonna kill me. You're gonna give me a heart attack.
Oh my God, Devon.
Please. This is really safe. Devon with no shoes on, jumping down the hallway.
Hey Wesley. Hi. Wanna hop on board?
Hop on board.
That was so fun. All right, here we go. Behind the scenes. Love at First Hiccup. Here we are at the hospital today. Say hi. Oh God. That was our producer there. What up? What up?
Shit, this shirt up here.
Hi guys.
There's a week's supply of what the producer just gave you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah?
Need to get more shots.
Okay, take a picture.
Oh, that's
Resituate my phone.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I'll pull it out in a bit.
Hey.
For this one.
Picture
Okay, accessory shot, please.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, you got my
Taking shopping presents.
put it in the...
Big picture. Perfect. Yay!
Perfect.
Say hi,
I
you
got the two
guys.
lady ladies and I got all the ladies.
Aww. Ayla's sitting over there by herself.
Keep it down.
There's where we are in there.
Keep it down, please.
There you go. It's the last day, and everybody's really on edge for some odd reason. I don't understand. You guys, why is everybody upset? It's the last day.
Because everyone's being Coopers.
Yeah.
You want me to just take it, or what?
Supers, yeah. These are the best ladies on set ever.
Too loud! Stop!
Hey, take a picture. Shh. We gotta be quiet.
I'm happy.
What's going on?
Didn't I do a video or a picture?
Yeah, you did. So, yeah, this sucks.
I think they want to leave so.
They want to leave by left. Yeah, but hi, you guys. Yeah. Say bye. Bye, guys.